Welcome to the Easy channel. This is video number 60 and let's start.
I remember like, I don't know what this is. I'm gonna order it. Fuck it. So now I tried the. Oh man, what was it called?
God, dude. Oh! Idiot.
I'm so glad.
Always look in the review mirror multiple times.
At 86B, I-26 West, Columbia.
Detectives, connecting to the emergency call center.
How to park your car. This video is example.
You may not give details that somebody can then, write a paper about and know all about how the hydrogen bomb works or something, but you know that they're not working on it or whatever. He gave that information both to the Russians and to the British, whatever he picked up.
Which raises the question, was food
That somebody can then, write a paper about and know all about how the hydrogen bomb works or something, but you know that they're not working on it or whatever. He gave that information both to the Russians and to the British, whatever he picked up.
which raises the question.
You must always know your destination. Follow the signs. Adjust your speed. Always pay attention to the road ahead and keep your distance between the cars. Very simple rule. Just respect traffic light.